Hey everybody, I'm Super Machine 92. Hope you guys wish me a happy birthday today. Since today on my birthday adventure, I'm going to the Cheesecake Factory. Although it may be expensive, but I decided where I like to spend on my birthday, and I stick with it. So having fun with the Cheesecake Factory once again, just like in my previous visits, always keeps me happy, and it makes my folks happy as well.
You're at last.
Plus, I never thought I would do this on my birthday yet again. This is probably, I think, the fourth time I did this on my birthday, because I lost count. But either way, I'm having fun at the Cheesecake Factory, and having fun with my folks, and discuss about all the things that we did so far in the past, and do something in the future. Just us families. And of course, Talent 13 makes a return from Super Machine 92 Crave Adventures 3, alongside with a few people who made their Fusion Friday debut.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jonathan. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
That birthday was relaxing, wonderful, and fun. Now, even though I did not display much photos or videos as I used to, I still enjoyed most of my birthday. That what counts. And to end it off is a training highlight that I'm doing right now. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. And one last present for you before I conclude this. Next time on M.A.C. Fusion Friday 5, Super Battle Blitz makes a return for another round. This time with a different opponent instead of the same one I faced. I'm Super Machine 92. Thank you for the wishes, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye. Happy birthday to me. Whoopsies. For a silly reason, here's the art of the day, and that's the new character, Blue Gear. I can't believe I forgot about that. I guess I was too excited for my birthday. But at least I didn't leave him out. So, give a warm welcome from Blue Gear. If you'd like to see more of him, the link is in the description. So anyways, now that is it. See you again. Bye.